Hey guys, Sirius back here with another video. This time we're tackling the 2019 paper 3 question 4 from the combined science paper. So a sample of chlorine gas contains two different isotopes of chlorine atoms. Each chlorine atom can become a chloride ion. So complete table 4.1 to describe the composition of the chlorine atom and the chloride ion. Okay, so this question is a little bit tricky because one's an atom, one's an ion. Okay, but let's break it down. Okay, so one is a 17 chlorine ion. Okay, the other one is a 17 chloride ion. Okay, so first off, we take the bigger number minus the smaller number. We have the number of neutrons. Okay, so first, this number is the proton number. So this is 17 protons. Okay, so number of neutrons is 37 minus 17, 20 neutrons. Okay, so this is a chlorine atom. So the number of protons and electrons should be equal. So there are 17 electrons as well. Okay, so we go on to the chloride ion. So first off, there are 17 protons as well. Okay, this will indicate this is 17 protons. So the number of neutrons, so we have 35 minus 17, okay, equals to 18 neutrons. Okay, so but this is a chloride ion, so there's a one negative charge there. So what does this mean? It means there's one more electron than proton. So there are 18 electrons. Okay, so this is how you fill up table 4.1. Okay, so let's look at part B. State two ways in which chlorine molecules behave differently when chlorine is above its boiling point and when it's below its melting point. You should refer to kinetic particle theory in your answer, right? Okay, so down here they're saying above the boiling point. So what does this mean? They want us to talk about the gaseous state. So when it's below the melting point, we want to talk about the solid state. Okay, so these are the two things that they want us to describe. So we can either choose one for part 1, part 2. So let's say part 1 is above this boiling point. Okay, so above boiling point. Okay, what happens at above boiling point? Okay, so chlorine is in gas form, right? Like we said. So the molecules, how far the molecules? The molecules are far apart. Okay, so and how does the molecules move? So molecules move in random direction and high speed. So that's how you describe it. Okay, so they give you 1 mark. So how to describe it in the solid state? So below. So let's say when it's below boiling point, or below melting point, sorry. Below melting point, chlorine is in solid form. So they are closely packed. They are in fixed position. Okay. Fixed position, but they're not going anywhere, right? So they just vibrate on the spot. Okay, so if you explain it like that, you get full marks for this question. Okay, so that's how you tackle this question.